This video is going to show you how to install the Data Analysis Toolpack into your Excel. You need to first of all make sure you have Excel downloaded onto your own computer. Don't use the online version of it or you won't be able to do this. So first things first, make sure you've downloaded your own version of Excel to your computer. Alright, now if you have that, then here's what we're doing. We're looking for data analysis. Now if you look across the menu up here on the top, there is a data key. This is where it's going to be located if you have it. Alright, if you click on that, it brings up a whole new menu up here, and all the way over here to the side you'll notice this last box. It has data analysis and solver in it. So I already have this installed on my computer. If you don't have it installed, then you won't have this information over here in your box. Alright, and this is how you're going to get it, because you need it to do the lab for this week. You're going to come over here to File, you're going to click on that, you're going to come all the way down here to the bottom where it says Options, and I know you can't see it on my screen because it was taken off. It's going to bring this menu up. Alright, we're going to click on Add-ins because we want to add in the Data Analysis Toolpack. Alright, you want to be sure and click on the Analysis Toolpack up here. And then down here it says Manage Excel Add-ins. That's what we're doing, so you're going to click Go. And then over here, this gives you the options of what you want, and I've done the Toolpack. That's what we definitely want. And then the Solver's good for some stuff later on, so you can click on that also. And then click OK. And that should be enough for you to have the Data Analysis Toolpack installed on your computer. And I just pushed the home screen here so we can come back. And if you click Data again, you should see this information over here on the side.